Hey, let me show you something. I'm taking out the rigid lights out to put in something more powerful in place, such as the M&R fog light kit. Some pliers, take off 4 push pins just to remove this cover. First thing we're going to do is remove the end cap, the protective cap from the rear. It's just push pins. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of them to take the plastic cover off. Where is it? That's 1, that's 2 right here. And there's 1. Oh, it's hard to get to a couple of them. There's 1 right here. Let me see. Right here. They sure made it difficult. How are they expecting it to get in there? Okay, that's 1. And I have 1 more. The hardest part is finding space to put the tool in. I think I might need another tool. Let me get some pliers. Alright. Right there. Let's see if I'll be able to get to it. Next thing we're going to do is loosen up the clips that hold the wiring harnesses. So these are just clips. Use a prying tool just to get the clips out of the body, get the wiring out of the way, and give us some space to take out some bolts. Okay, 1, 2. We can start unclipping. We're just unclipping the fog light kits, the factory wiring, factory clips. Pull this out, squeeze on it, and it comes off. Where is it? Okay, get this wiring out of the way. And I'm gonna start taking off the actual fog light kit enclosure. Alright, so this is gonna take some time. Got the side bolts and I took out the bottom ones. And let's see what else is holding it. Alright, you know what I need? Give me my pliers. Stick the tool in and twist like that. It's like use a tool with a tool. Hold on one hand just to get the top bolt out. Like that. And we're just twisting. Alright, I think we got it. Got the last one out from the top. And we can move the fog light kit out of the way. So I want to show you guys which bolts we removed, which ones we had the difficulty with. We removed the 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 1 on the side, and the one that was giving us an issue was the one on top. You just have to back it out and kind of slide it under. There's a slit right here, but you really had to take the bolt out most of the way to get the module out. Now we're ready to install the M&R version. We have the dual function fog light kit for the Bronco Raptor. Produces white light as well as dual function amber DRL. With the flip of a switch, it provides you with a really cool amber glow.